Number 1979er, contact Oakland Tower 127.2.
127.2, 929.
San Jose, this is Vertigo 1. We're going to be staying in the pattern in Oscar 22 for a little bit. We're going to do some maneuver.
Tower, it's November 1979. Currently on final runway 28 right.
November 1979er, welcome back. Oakland's Tower, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear land, 3 right, 929.
And November 1979er, apologies for sending you back to 133.905 earlier. Apparently I needed to send you to a different frequency, but I'm glad we figured it out. So welcome back to Tower.
Roger that. Yeah, you guys got it straight. We're good to go. Appreciate that.